What is up, guys? Part 2 coming at ya. I am working on this little ditty right here. This video you get to see the case halves being bolted together, which means you can put it into the engine stand. And also we did a quick little mock-up and checked our deck height. So with any luck, by Friday I'll have my heads back, and then we can have the engine put back together, and then it's just a matter of picking apart or picking away, sorry, at the rest of this. So the next couple of weeks everything should be going together, and then we will get the heat cycles done, and then we will get some break-in miles on it, and then it'll be about 1,800 kilometers before I can start really having some fun. So I will talk to you guys later.
There's no guarantee, it's not up to me. You can only see, this is my legacy, legacy.
I used to be the type of kid that would always think the sky is falling. Why am I so differently wired? Am I noggin? Cause sporadic as my thoughts come, it's mind-boggling. Cause I obsess on everything. In my mind, small shit bothers me, but not my father, he said sayonara.
That is the order. And this is what the crankcase looks like. Holy Santa Claus shit. So the bottom end is completely installed. Now we're going to put the pistons on the connecting rods and then slide the cylinders over top, so we're able to measure our deck height, and the guy who's working on our heads is able to finish what he needs to do, since he'll have that information, and then we'll have the heads back within hopefully a couple of weeks.
Now we have the cylinder sucked down against here. We don't have to torque it up. We know it's on the case. Where's it gonna go?
Yeah.
Right? We know that we're basically there.
Yeah.
So what we actually do now is we spin this baby around and we run that piston up to the top.
Hoya!
But what we're gonna do is
Gonna figure out.
yeah, we're just gonna see where we're at. Now we're gonna use this on here
To make sure it's flat.
Yeah.
Okay.
See that?
Yeah.
Just slides.
So we just finished measuring deck height, and we have the same amount down the hole for each cylinder, which is 0.003 thousandths of an inch.
3 thousandths.
So that is good news, and the pistons are looking pretty nice. I'm so fucking pumped. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and have a good day.